Welcome to another episode of the Sharks Quiz, Season 5, the first contest in episode 4. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Noble Crosby and I'll be your quiz master for the episode. We're witnessing competition between two schools, Grace Bacon Academy and Eden Montessori Training Center. Let's put our hands together and welcome the contestants who join us on stage and introduce themselves as well as their expectations ahead of the competition. Please put your hands together for the contestants. Contestants, you're welcome. You're welcome, contestants. Eden Montessori Training Center, let me start off with you. Introduce yourselves and your expectations quickly.
My name is Princess Chimampofo, and I am here to excel in this academic challenge.
Good to know.
My name is Queen Augusta Selassie Ankuvi, and I am here to shine like gold.
That's nice.
My name is Ivan Enujibi, and I expect the best.
My name is Kalisa Kolmoni, and I expect that my school would complete in a satisfactory manner.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Eden Montessori Training Center. Clearly, we are poised for action. Grace Bacon Academy, introduce yourselves and your expectations.
My name is Princess Kwashi, and I am hoping to put up my best.
Putting up your best.
My name is Gifty Nanama Sapuma. I work by faith and not by sight, so definitely we are going to win.
My name is Jennifer Ame, and for me, winning is not just being first, but pulling up your very best.
My name is Nazira Mohammed Sani, and I'm expecting the best.
Please put your hands together for Grace Bacon Academy. We'll begin with round one, the right corner round. Please listen to the instructions.
Round one of the Sharks Quiz is brought to you by Kellogg's.
The school has 2 minutes to answer 8 questions on social literacy. Correct answer attracts 10 points. Wrong answer attracts no deduction. Get as many points as you can in round one. Contestants, if you're ready, we'll begin with Grace Bacon Academy. Do you understand the rules governing round one? The timer begins after I've read the first question. Round one, Grace Bacon. When was the Gold Coast Land Bill introduced? A, 1800, B, 1960, C, 1844, D, 1897.
1897.
1897 is correct. Which British governor introduced the Gold Coast Lands Bill? A, William Bradford, B, William Maxwell, C, Gordon Gettysburg, D, Alan Burns.
Gordon Gettysburg.
Could you say that again?
Gordon Gettysburg.
That is wrong. Third question, in which region in Ghana can we find the Larabanga Mosque? A, Western Region, B, Upper East Region, C, or T Region, D, Central Region?
Upper East Region.
Upper East Region is right. When did FIFA recognize Africa as a confederation? A, 1960, B, 1957, C, 1954, D, 1966.
1966.
1966 is the wrong answer. In which year was the idea to form CAF conceded? 1977, that is A, B, 1960, C, 1957, D, 1956.
1957.
1957 is wrong. What does the following abbreviation stand for? Listen carefully. ANC. What does it stand for?
Pass.
Pass. CIS. What does it stand for?
Pass.
Pass. ECC. What does it stand for?
Pass.
Pass. ANC. What does it stand for?
African National Congress.
African National Congress is correct. CIS. What does it stand for?
Pass.
Pass. ECC. What does it stand for?
Pass.
Pass. CIS. What does it stand for?
Pass.
Pass. ECC. What does it stand for?
Pass.
Pass. Ladies and gentlemen, they have been bailed out. ANC, African National Congress, CIS, Commonwealth of Independent State, ECC, European Economic Community. Please put your hands together for Grace Bacon Academy. Let's move to Eden Montessori and ask you your set of questions in round one. You have 2 minutes to answer 8 questions. You can pass, and if we have time, we'll come back, ask you the question. If you're able to answer, you get it wrong. You get it right. If you're not able to answer, then it is a mark against you. But there are no deductions in the round. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. The timer starts after I've read the first question. Your time. In which year was the Kulungugu bombing of Kwame Nkrumah made? Is it A, 1962, B, 1964, C, 1980, D, 1972?
A.
A is correct. In which region in Ghana can we find the town of Kulungugu? A, Western region, B, Upper East region, C, Oti region, D, Central region.
Upper East region.
Upper East region is correct. Which Asante king was killed while crossing the river Pra? A, Osei Tutu the first, B, Opokuwari the second, C, Intim Jakari, D, Prempeh the second.
A.
A is correct. Where is the headquarters of the Confederation of African Football? A, Lagos, B, Nairobi, C, Cairo, D, Pretoria.
Pass.
Pass. When was the Confederation of African Football formed? Is it A, 1980, B, 1899, C, 1957, or D, 1960?
B.
B is wrong. What does the abbreviation stand for? FBI.
Federal Bureau of Investigation.
Federal Bureau of Investigation is that's right. FAO.
Pass.
Pass. IAEA.
Pass.
Pass. To your fourth question, where is the headquarters of the Confederation of African Football? CAF. Is it in A, Lagos, B, Nairobi, C, Cairo, D, Pretoria?
C.
C is correct. To your seventh and eighth question, what does this abbreviation stand for? FAO.
Pass.
Pass. IAEA. What does it stand for?
Pass.
Pass. FAO. What does it stand for?
Pass.
IAEA. What does it stand for? Ladies and gentlemen, FAO stands for Food and Agricultural Organization. IAEA stands for the International Atomic Energy Agency. Please put your hands together for the contestants. Before we go to round two, let's have substitutions for both schools, for Grace Bacon Academy and Eden Montessori Training Center. Please put your hands together for them. Contestants, you'll introduce yourself and your expectations briefly. We'll start off with Grace Bacon Academy.
My name is Emilia Ofori. I hope to do my best for today.
Hope to do your best. Please put your hands together for her. Amelia, I'll need you to tilt your microphone down a little. Please tell us who you are and your expectations.
I am Samuel Osei, and I came here to learn and have fun.
Samuel came here to win. Please put your hands together for the contestants, ladies and gentlemen.
When you wake up in the morning before you start your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
day with a nourishing Kellogg's breakfast, powered with the goodness of grains and 11 essential vitamins and minerals. So in our family, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Whenever Princess starts, the neighbors do complain that her voice and the beats are too loud. Who is scared of the voices of tomorrow's superstars?
You special in your way.
That must be a neighbor.
You special in your way.
It's me.
Here's to all amazing moms who identify and nurture the uniqueness in our kids.
Indomie instant noodles tastes great. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
We are making a mark in Africa, building leaders and entrepreneurs who would push boundaries to rewrite the African story. Through ethical leadership, innovation, this is Africa. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Academic City. the first 250 new students who register with Academic City this year enjoy up to 50% discount on tuition fee. Visit www.act.edu.gh/admissions to apply now. You are the future. Choose ACT. Make your mark.
Welcome to round 2, the R-cubed round. These questions border on writing, reading, and arithmetic. Each school is posed a question for a maximum of 10 points. A wrong answer attracts a penalty of 5 points. If a school gets an answer wrong and decides not to attempt it, is passed on to the other school as a bonus for a maximum of 5 points or a deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. But before we will begin round 2, let's find out the scores for round 1. At the end of round 1, Grace Beacon Academy had 30 points. Please put your hands together for them. And Eden Montessori had 50 points. A round of applause for Eden Montessori. Are we ready to begin round 2? Round 2, question 1 to both schools. We'll start off with Eden Montessori. Your first question. How do we refer to the animal homes of these animals? How do we refer to the animal homes of these animals? Ants.
Anthill.
Anthill, ladies and gentlemen, is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Grace Beacon, how do we refer to the animal homes of these animals? Birds.
Nest.
Nest, ladies and gentlemen, is right. Next question to Eden Montessori School. How do we refer to the animal homes of these animals? Bees. Bees.
Hive.
Hive is right. Put your hands together for them. To Grace Beacon, how do we refer to the animal homes of these animals? Cats.
Pass.
A bonus to Eden Montessori Training Center.
Pass.
Pass. The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is cattery. Cattery. Cattery of cats. Cattery of cats. Your major question, Eden Montessori, complete the similes. Complete the similes. Please listen carefully. As agile as
Monkey.
A monkey is the right answer. Put your hands together for the Grace Beacon Academy. As bold as a
lion.
Bonus to Eden Montessori.
Egg.
Egg, ladies and gentlemen, is egg is correct. Please put your hands together for Eden Montessori Training Center. Put your hands together for them. Major question, Eden Montessori Training Center, as black as an ebony, ladies and gentlemen, is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Your major question, Grace Beacon Academy, as blind as an
O.
That answer, unfortunately, is incorrect. Bonus?
A bat.
Ladies and gentlemen, as blind as a bat is the right answer. Your major question, Eden Montessori Training Center. Please listen carefully. Listen carefully. Alexander multiplied the largest prime number less than 90 and the smallest prime number greater than 90. What was Alexander's results? Alexander multiplied the largest prime number less than 90 and the smallest prime number greater than 90. What is the Number Alexander God.
Pass.
You've been bailed out. Grace Bacon Academy, do you have an answer to that question?
Pass.
The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is 8,633. 8,633. Grace Bacon, your major question. Listen carefully. I have 3 desktops open on my computer. Each desktop contains 5 windows, and each window contains 4 tabs. How many tabs do I have open right now?
20 tabs.
Say that again.
20 tabs.
20 tabs, ladies and gentlemen, is wrong. Bonus to Ada Montessori.
60 tabs.
Please put your hands together. The answer is 60 tabs. Ada Montessori, your major question. Listen carefully. A rectangular picture frame of 6 by 8 inch picture is 1 inch wide, but covers up the outer 1/4 inch of each side of the picture. What is the outer perimeter of the picture frame in inches? What is the outer perimeter of the picture frame in inches? Bonus to Grace Bacon Academy.
Pass.
The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is 34. 34. 3-4. Your major question, Grace Bacon Academy. Listen carefully. Amber averaged a score of 92 on her 4 chemistry tests. Amber's highest score on one of the 4 tests was a 94. Her lowest score was an 88, and she had the same score on the other 2 tests. What score did Amber have on the other 2 chemistry tests?
90.
90 is wrong. Bonus to Ada Montessori.
Pass.
Pass. The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is 93. 93. 93. Let's move on. Your major question, Ada Montessori. Listen carefully. What is 8/1/3 of 108 plus 83/1/3? I'll take the question again. What is 8/1/3% of 108 plus 83/1/3% of 216? Bonus to Grace Bacon Academy.
Pass.
The answer is 189. 189. Major question, Grace Bacon Academy. Jefferson and Hamilton were diametrically opposed foes. If they sit opposite each other at a round table with a circumference of 5 meters, how many meters apart are they? Express your answer in terms of pi. 5 seconds on the clock.
Pass.
Bonus to Ada Montessori Training Center. The correct answer, ladies and gentlemen, is 5/pi. 5/pi. Major question, Ada Montessori. How many positive integers that divide 28 also divide 70? 10 seconds on the clock.
Pass.
Bonus to Grace Bacon Academy.
Pass.
The answer is 4. 4. The answer is 4. Major question, Grace Bacon. If 6 cuts, K-U-T-S, are equal to 5 quarts, K-O-T-S, and 13 kets, K-E-T-S, are equal to 1 dozen cuts, K-U-T-S, then how many quarts, K-O-T-S, are equal to 195 kets, K-E-T-S? You've been bailed out a bonus.
Pass.
Ladies and gentlemen, the answer is 150. 150. That's it for the end of round 2. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause. Please put your hands together for the contestants. You can do it better for them. Motivate them well enough. At the end of round 2, Grace Beacon Academy have minus 10 points. Minus 10. Eden Montessori has 55 points. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Let's welcome round 3, the STEM round. These are the rules governing round 3. Questions are posed to both schools. Schools can buzz in at any time while a question is being read for a maximum of 10 points for a correct answer and a deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. Question to be read fully and immediately passed on to other school for a chance at a bonus worth 10 points for a right answer and a deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. Are we clear on the rules, contestants? Round 3, question 1 to both schools. Indicate your preparedness by buzzing. Desert encroachment is encouraged by the following human activities, except A, bush burning, B, deforestation, C, afforestation, D, overgrazing.
Afforestation.
Afforestation is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Next question, the ozone layer. The ozone layer is important to humans because it, A, contains hydrocarbons, B, causes cancer, C, depletes easily, D, absorbs ultraviolet rays. Grace Beacon.
D. D.
D, ladies and gentlemen, is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Next question, which one of the following best describes the function of a cell membrane? A, it keeps the cell in shape. B, it controls the substances entering and leaving the cell. C, it controls the substances entering the cell. D, it supports the cell structures. Eden Montessori?
A.
A, ladies and gentlemen, is the wrong answer. Grace Beacon Academy?
D.
D is the wrong answer. The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is B. It controls the substances entering and leaving the cell. Next question, listen carefully. Doctors often give mothers a dose of anesthetic directly into their meninges along the back. An injection known by this name. The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is spinal block. Spinal block. Spinal block. Listen to these carefully, contestants. This is a preamble. Smoking and alcohol. Smoking and alcohol. Listen carefully. I am the plant from which cigarettes are made. What am I?
Tobacco.
Tobacco is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Next question. I am the addictive drug found in tobacco smoke. What am I?
Nicotine.
Ladies and gentlemen, nicotine is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. I am a social drug that can cause liver damage if consumed in large amounts. I am a social drug.
Alcohol.
Put your hands together for them. Alcohol is the right answer. Listen attentively. I am a dark, sticky, carcinogenic, it means cancer-causing chemical found in tobacco. The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is tar. Next question. I am the toxic gas found in tobacco smoke. What am I? The answer, contestants, I'm sure you know, is carbon monoxide. Last question to end round 3. Listen carefully. I can cause lung, throat, and mouth cancer. What bad habit am I?
Smoking.
Ladies and gentlemen, smoking is the right answer. That brings us to the end of round 3. Please put your hands together for the contestants again. At the end of round 3, Grace Beacon Academy has 25 points. Put your hands together for them, Grace Beacon Academy. Eden Montessori also has 25 points. Put your hands together for them. Let's begin round 4.
The Sharks Quiz Round 4 is brought to you by Indomie.
As we begin round 4, we'll leave the contestants competing for the schools on English. Round 4 contestants, are you ready? Round 4, question 1 in English language. Belief or opinion contrary to what is generally accepted is referred to as A, unbelief, B, superstition, C, nonconformity, D, heresy.
Superstition.
Superstition is the wrong answer. A bonus?
Pass.
The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is heresy. Choose the best explanation for the idiom. Listen carefully. The best explanation for this idiom. To set the things on fire. To set the things on fire. A, to do something remarkable. B, to try to do something impossible. C, to burn something to ashes. D, to flang ironical remarks.
B.
B is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Contestants, thank you. Mathematics. Mathematics quickly. Mathematics quickly. Your buzzers are working perfectly. Please listen carefully to the question. Have you settled? Adjust the microphone to the position you want it to be. Are you okay? Mathematics, listen carefully. On 4 math tests, Robert scored 89, 94, 87, and 96. On 3 of the 4 math tests, Sasha scored 91, 98, and 88. If Sasha's average on the 4 tests was 2.5 points higher than Robert's average on the 4 tests, what was Sasha's score on the 4th test? Eden?
92.
92. Ladies and gentlemen, is the wrong answer. Bonus?
81.
81 is also the wrong answer. The answer is 99. 99. Next question, listen carefully. The product of 2 positive integers. The product of 2 positive integers is 108. When 9 times the reciprocal of the smaller integer is added to 24 times the reciprocal of the larger integer, the result is 3. What is the sum of the 2 integers? Contestants, ladies and gentlemen, the answer is 21. 21. 2, and put your hands together for them as they take leave of us for the science contestants to join us quickly. Contestants, are you ready for the science segment of the 4th round? In science, which of the following general sets is classified wrongly? There is solute, solvent, there is solution. A, oxygen and a solute, nitrogen and a solvent, air and a solution. B, water and a solute, salt and a solvent, seawater and a solution. C, bromine gas and a solute, water and a solvent, bromine, water and a solution. D, tin and a solute, copper and a solvent, bronze and a solution.
B.
Say that again.
B.
B is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Next question. Listen carefully. Question 2. The following statements describe the process of a substance undergoing a change of the state. Energy is absorbed by the particles. At first, the particles only rolled over each other. At random, sometime later, the particles moved around very fast. Initially, the particles were close together. Then after a while, all the particles were far apart and widely spaced. Which of the following processes is described by the statements I just read? A, boiling. B, condensation. C, sublimation. D, freezing.
A.
A, ladies and gentlemen, is the wrong answer. Bonus. Say that again. The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is B, condensation. the question cannot be repeated when it is a bonus. Put your hands together for them, please. Put your hands together for them. Let's welcome onto the stage general knowledge contestants. General knowledge. For general knowledge, listen carefully. Watch this clip and identify this edifice based in Dubai. So that is the video, ladies and gentlemen. Identify this edifice, bars to indicate your preparedness to answer.
Please, the question again.
The clip you watched, identify that edifice. It is based in Dubai.
The towers.
The towers, unfortunately, is wrong. That was not the tower. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Museum of the Future. Contestants, let's move on to the next round of questioning in general knowledge. Identify this iconic NFL player who is also a civil rights activist. Contestants, you've been bailed out. Does anybody in the audience know who this is? Put your hands together for him. That is Colin Kaepernick. Contestants, that does it for the end of round 4. Let's invite your other colleagues to join you on the stage. Let's invite your other colleagues to join you on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's now go to the judges for the scores. At the end of round 4, Grace Bacon Academy has 10 points. Eden Montessori also has 10 points. Put your hands together for the contestants, please. Please put your hands together for them. You can do it better for them. Let's now find out the final results of the competition. Grace Bacon Academy has 55 points. Put your hands together for them. And Eden Montessori has 140 points. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause. Grace Bacon Academy, you've done yourselves proud. You've done your schools proud. Congratulations to you for how far you've come. You should not be down-spirited. Sure, the next time you come here, you're going further than the level you've reached. Please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. Eden Montessori, congratulations. We'll see you in the next round. Let's put our hands together as we usher our contestants off the stage. Please put your hands together for them. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the first contest in episode 4 of the Sharks Quiz competition in season 5, which is proudly brought to you by Kellogg, supported by Indomie, Ashesi University, Academic City College. We're looking at Family Health Medical School. Please, let's put our hands together to express our gratitude to our sponsors for bringing us quality education mixed with entertainment. We're going for a break. When we come back, we'll see another fiercely contested competition between Angels Ridge and Agyiri Nyarko JHS. Promises to be exciting and very educating. Please, we're back with more. Stay with us.
When you wake up in the morning, before you start your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time. For work and for play, for a great start to your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
We always start our day with a nourishing Kellogg's breakfast, powered with the goodness of grains and 11 essential vitamins and minerals. So in our family, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Whenever Princess starts, the neighbors do complain that her voice and the beat are too loud. Who is scared of the voices of tomorrow's superstars?
You special in your way.
It's me, like no other.
No one else can do it like you.
Indomie.
Must be a neighbor.
You special in your way.
It's me, like no other.
No one else can do it like you.
It's me, like no other.
Here's to all amazing capture the uniqueness in our kids.
Indomie instant noodles. Tastes great. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
We are making a mark in Africa, building leaders and entrepreneurs who would push boundaries to rewrite the African story. Through ethical leadership, innovation, this is Africa. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Academic City. The first 250 new students who register with Academic City this year enjoy up to 50% discount on tuition fee. Visit www.act.edu.gh/admissions to apply now. You are the future. Choose ACT. Make your mark.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second contest in episode 4 of the Sharks Quiz Season 5. My name is Noble Crosby and we're witnessing competition between Angels Ridge School and Agyiri Nyarko School Complex. Let's put our hands together and welcome our contestants onto the stage. A reminder that the Sharks Quiz competition is proudly brought to you by Kellogg, supported by Indomie Academic City College. We're also looking at Family Health Medical School, Academic City University College, and the Massachusetts College of Pharmacy. Please, a round of applause to our sponsors, ladies and gentlemen. We here at the Sharks Quiz. This competition is concerned about the all-round development of our students, the all-round development of you watching us at home. Take a pen and a paper, follow us through the journey. But first, let's introduce our contestants. Then we kick off with round 1, starting with Angels Ridge School. Tell us who you are and your expectations.
My name is Joseph Junior Sima Popo, and I expect the best and victory for my school.
My name is Kendra Erama Pelete, and I know the way ahead is going to be rough, but with the grace of God, we shall make it.
Good to know.
My name is Elika Michelawari, and with the grace of God, we will win this competition.
My name is Kofi Bartel Budu, and by God's grace, we'll get to the climax of this competition.
Good to know. Please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. Please let's take the introduction of Agyiri Nyarko School Complex, who they are and the expectations for the competition.
My name is Nyarko Gladys, and I pray we come out of this with flying colors.
Good to know.
My name is Sotia Ines, and I hope for the best.
My name is Addison Jonathan, and I hope we win.
My name is Hannah Jane Formita, and I hope for the best.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Agyiri Nyarko School Complex. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. begin the right corner round where the schools have 2 minutes to answer 8 questions on social literacy. Correct answer will attract 10 points. Wrong answer will attract no deduction. I'll start off with the school to my left, Agyiri Nyarko School Complex.
Round 1 of the Sharks Quiz is brought to you by Kellogg's.
You have 2 minutes to answer 8 questions. You can pass. If we have time within the 2 minutes, we come back and ask you the question. Is that okay? Please speak up into the microphone, all right? For Agyiri Nyarko School Complex, which people shot and killed Osei Tutu I at the River Pra? A. Achems. B. Ewe. C. Fante. D. Gan.
Achem.
Achem is right. In which year was the Gold Coast Colony and Protectorate declared? A. 1874. B. 1844. C. 1960. D. 1979.
1960.
1960 is wrong. Which of these women was installed on the fetus stool by the British colonial government? A. Akuyaba Brafo. B. Yasantua. C. Cleopatra. D. Akuya Asabia.
Yasantua.
Yasantua is wrong. Who became the first president of the Confederation of Africa Football, CAF? A. Abdulaziz Abdallah Salem. B. Issa Hayatu. C. Giorgio Infantino. D. Boutros Ghali.
Pass.
Pass. Which country hosted the first Africa Cup of Nations tournament? Is it Sudan as A, B, Egypt, C, Ghana, D, Nigeria?
Egypt.
Egypt is wrong. How many member states did the UN have at its formation in 1945? A, 51, B, 45, C, 48, D, 54.
54.
54 is wrong. Which organ of the UNO has suspended its operation since 1994? Is it A, Trusteeship Council, B, Secretariat, C, Economic and Social Council, D, International Court of Justice?
A.
A is the right answer. How many official languages has the UNO? Is it A, 6, B, 5, C, 7, D, 4?
7.
7 is the wrong answer. Fourth question. Who became the first president of the Confederation of Africa Football? A. Abdulaziz Abdallah Salem. B. Issa Hayatu. C. Giorgio Infantino. D. Boutros Ghali.
B.
Say that again.
D.
D is the wrong answer. Please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. Say that again.
B.
B is the wrong answer. For Angels Ridge School, are you ready? Your set of questions. You have 2 minutes to answer them. When was the Sweet River Convection seized into the Gold Coast? A. 1884. B. 1867. C. 1890. D. 1966.
Pass.
Pass. Which Asante monarch was exiled by the British in 1896? A. Osei Tutu I. B. Prempeh I. C. Opokuwari II. D. Aggrey II.
Pass.
Pass. In which year did the Sagranti War end? A. 1873. B. 1874. C. 1900. D. 1910.
1900.
1900 is the wrong answer. In which country was the idea to form CAF mooted? A. Ethiopia. B. Egypt. C. England. D. Portugal.
Egypt.
Egypt is the wrong answer. Which of these African countries was not present at the FIFA Congress in Lisbon? A. Egypt. B. Sudan. C. Ethiopia. D. Ghana.
Ghana.
Ghana is right. What is the term of office of the United Nations Secretary General? A. 5 years. B. 3 years. C. 6 years. D. 4 years.
5.
5 years is the right answer. Who was the only UN Secretary General to die in office? Is it A. Dag Hammarskjöld, D. Uthant, C. Tigravli, D. Kurt Waldheim?
Pass.
Pass. Next question. In which year was the UNO awarded the Nobel Peace Prize? A. 2001, B. 2006, C. 1999, D. 1995.
2001.
2001 is the correct answer. Your first question. When was the Sweet River Convection seized in the Gold Coast? A. 1884, B. 1867, C. 1890, D. 1966.
74.
74 is wrong. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. And that's it for the end of round 1 between Angels Ridge School and Agyiri Nyarko School Complex. Put your hands together for the contestants again. And these are the marks at the end of round 1. Agyiri Nyarko SHS has 20 points. Angels Ridge School has 30 points. Please put your hands together for them. You can do better. Contestants, welcome to the second round, the R-cubed round. The questions will border on reading, they'll border on arithmetic and writing. You pose the question for a maximum of 10 points. A wrong answer attracts a penalty of 5 points. If a school gets an answer wrong or decides not to answer, it will be passed on immediately as a bonus to the competing school for a maximum of 5 points for a correct answer or deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. Are we okay with the rules? If we do, let's move on. Choose the odd one out. I'll start with Angels Ridge School to my right. Choose the odd one out. A, routes. B, detour. C, passages. D, paths. B. B is the right answer. Detour is the right answer. For B and D, I'll need you to speak it up, okay?
Yes, please.
To Agyiri Nyarko School. Choose the odd one out. A, discord. B, ritual. C, tradition. D, habits. Discord is the right answer. To Angels Ridge School. Choose the odd one out. A, role. B, duty. C, immunity. D, function.
C.
C is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Agyiri, choose the odd one out. A, reasonable. B, preposterous. C, insane. D, ridiculous.
Reasonable.
Reasonable is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. Contestants, are you ready to do some spelling? Let's do some spelling, and it is only one attempt. I will need you to answer, to listen carefully to the word and you attempt to spell it. Whose major question is it? To Angels Ridge School. Spell this word. Idiosyncrasy. It means a mannerism or habit peculiar to an individual. Idiosyncrasy.
Idiosyncrasy. I-D-I-O-S-Y-N-C-R-A-C-Y.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, that answer is wrong. That answer is wrong. A bonus to Agyiri Nyarko School Complex. The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is I-D-I-O-S-Y-N-C-R-A-S-Y. Idiosyncrasy. Please put your hands together for the contestants. Your major question, Agyiri Nyarko School Complex. Spell this word. Acquiesce. Acquiesce. It means to accept the inevitable, to comply passively. Acquiesce. A bonus to Angels Ridge School.
Acquiesce. A-C-Q-U-I-E-S-C-E.
Ladies and gentlemen, that answer is the right answer. Please put your hands together for Angels Ridge School. Your major question, Angels Ridge School. Spell this word. Malfeasance. 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 Definition: conduct of a public official which violates public trust or is against the law. Malfeasance.
Malfeasance. M-A-L-F-E-A-S-A-N-C. Malfeasance.
Malfeasance, he has spelled it right. Please put your hands together for him. And he began talking before the bell rang. He began talking before the bell rang. Your major question, Agyiri Nyarko School Complex. Please listen and spell this word. Irascible. Irascible. It means irritable or quick-tempered. Irritable or quick-tempered. A bonus to Angels Ridge School. There's a spelling bee, champ, I understand.
Irascible. IRRASCIBLE. Irascible.
That is wrong. Irascible is with one R. One R. Irascible is spelled IRASCIBLE. Please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. And we're done with the spelling. Still in this contest, your major question, Angels Ridge School. Get your pens and your papers ready. Listen to this. The length of a rectangle is twice its width. If the width is increased by 3 and the length is decreased by 4, the new rectangle has an area that is 2 square units more than the area of the original rectangle. Question is, what is the area of the new rectangle? Agyiri Nyarko School Complex, you have an answer as a bonus. The answer is 100, 100, 100. Next question, main question to Agyiri Nyarko School Complex. The measure of the small angle in a triangle is half of the measure of the largest angle in the triangle. If the measure of the third angle in the triangle is 28 degrees more than the measure of the smallest angle, what is the positive difference in degrees between the measures of the two largest angles in the triangle? Do you have an answer? A bonus to Angels Ridge School.
Pass.
Pass. The answer is 10. 10. Major question to Angels Ridge School. The function g is defined by g of x is equal to 5x plus 4. The function f is defined by f of x. F of x is equal to kx plus 3 for some constant value k. If g of f of 8 is equal to 2019, what is the value of f of g of 8? Do you have an answer to that?
No.
A bonus to Agyiri Nyarko School Complex.
Pass.
The answer is 2203, 2203. Major question, Agyiri Nyarko. What is the unit digit of 2 raised to the power 91 minus 9 raised to the power 12? You have 5 seconds on the clock. Do you have an answer to that? A bonus to Angels Ridge School.
Pass.
The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is 7. 7. Next question, major to Angels Ridge School. How many 3-digit positive whole numbers have exactly 1 digit that is a 7? How many 3-digit positive whole numbers have exactly 1 digit that is a 7? Bonus to Agyiri Nyarko School Complex.
Pass.
The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is 225. 225. Agyiri Nyarko, your major question. For real numbers, x, y, and z, x is 25% greater than y. Y is 30% greater than x minus 2. And 12z is equal to 5 of x plus y. What is the value of z as a decimal to the nearest 10th? Bonus to Angels Ridge School.
Pass.
The answer is 3. 3. Major question, Angels Ridge School. According to the pattern, what is the next number in the series 12, 15, 21, 30, 42, 57? What is the next number in the series 12, 15, 21, 30, 42, 57, according to the pattern?
75.
Say that again.
75.
Ladies and gentlemen, that answer is the right answer. Put your hands together for him. 75 is the correct answer. Your major question, Agyiri Nyarko School Complex. According to the pattern shown, what is the English alphabet in the following? P, M, J, G. 5 seconds left on the clock. Bonus to Angels Ridge School.
D.
D is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. D is the right answer. That ends round 2 of the Sharks Quiz competition. Season 5, episode 4, the second contest. Let's find out how the scoreboard is looking like. At the end of round 2, here are our scores. Agyiri Nyarko Junior High School has 20 points. Angels Ridge School has 40 points. Put your hands together for them.
When you wake up in the morning before you start your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time. For work and for play, for a great start to your day, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
We always start our day with a nourishing Kellogg's breakfast, powered with the goodness of grains and 11 essential vitamins and minerals. So in our family, breakfast time is Kellogg's time.
This advertisement has been voted and approved by the FDA.
Whenever Princess starts, the neighbors do complain that her voice and the beat are too loud. Who is scared of the voices of tomorrow's superstars?
You special in your way.
It's me, like no other.
No one can do it like you.
It's me.
That must be a neighbor.
You special in your way.
It's me, like no other.
No one can do it like you.
It's me, like no other.
Here's to all amazing moms who identify and nurture the uniqueness in our kids.
Indomie instant noodles. Tastes great. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
We are making a mark in Africa, building leaders and entrepreneurs who would push boundaries to rewrite the African story. Through ethical leadership, innovation, this is Africa. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Academic City. The first 250 new students who register with Academic City this year enjoy up to 50% discount on tuition fee. Visit www.act.edu.gh/admissions to apply now. You are the future. Choose ACT. Make your mark.
let's begin round 3, the STEM round. The questions will be posed to both schools. You buzz in at any time while the question is being read for a maximum of 10 points. For correct answer and a deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. Questions will be read fully and immediately passed on to the other school for a chance at a bonus worth 10 points for a right answer or a deduction of 5 points for a wrong answer. Contestants, are we okay with the rules? Do we understand them? Do we have any questions? To both schools, you buzz to indicate you want to answer. True or false? The liver is the largest glandular organ in the human body. Agyiri, Nyarko?
True.
True is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Which element is symbolized by HF? Capital H, small f, on the periodic table of elements. Which element is symbolized by capital H, small f, on the periodic table of elements? The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is hafnium. 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 Next question. Which element is symbolized by capital AG? Capital A, small g.
Mercury.
Mercury, ladies and gentlemen, is the wrong answer. Bonus to Angel's Ridge.
Silver.
Silver is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Silver is the right answer. Next question. How many chambers does the heart of an... Answer, please.
4.
4. Ladies and gentlemen, is the wrong answer. How many chambers does the heart of an amphibian have? Bonus?
Pass.
The answer is 3. Next question. What name is given to the pigmented layer of the eye? What name?
The iris.
Say that again.
Iris.
Iris, ladies and gentlemen, is the wrong answer.
What?
Is the wrong answer. A bonus?
Pass.
Pass. The answer is the choroid. Choroid. Choroid is the right answer. Next question. Which part of the donor's eye is caused... I'll read that again. Which part of a donor's eye is used for grafting in order to cure certain cases of blindness? A, retina. B, lens. C, cornea. D, the entire eyeball. And she said cornea, but could not buzz to tell me the answer. The answer is cornea. Unfortunately, the answer is cornea. For 10 points each, name these organic acids found in nature. Listen carefully. For 10 points, name these organic acids found in nature. The tongue of a sourdough bread comes from yeast that produce this acid, which is also found in dairy products such as cottage cheese.
Lactic acid.
Lactic acid is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Next question. Because it can irritate mucous membranes and blister the skin, ants and bees use the simplest... You buzz with an answer.
Methanoic acid.
Say that again.
Methanoic acid.
Methanoic acid is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. You buzz, we won't wait for an answer. Name this type of energy that comes from a system position or configuration. Name this type of energy that comes from a system's position or configuration.
Potential energy.
Potential energy is the right answer. Put your hands together for them. Last question in round 3. Subtracting the potential energy from the kinetic energy gives this quantity. The action equals the integral of this quantity with respect to time. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been bailed out. The answer is Lagrangian. Lagrangian. Please put your hands together for our contestants. And that's it. For round 3 of the contest, we'll begin round 4. And we'll leave contestants for English on the stage as the others take leave of us just briefly here. At the end of round 3, ladies and gentlemen, Angels Ridge School has 25 points and the Nyarko Junior High School has 10 points. A round of applause to our contestants, please. Contestants, you buzzed to indicate your preparedness to answer these questions in English language. Are we ready?
The Sharks Quiz Round 4 is brought to you by Indomie.
Give the best explanation of the idiom to keep one's head above water. A, to be cautious. B, to keep out of debt. C, to remain aloof.
To be conscious.
To be cautious, ladies and gentlemen, is the wrong answer. Bonus.
Please can you repeat the options?
To be cautious, to keep out of debt, to remain aloof. D, none of these.
None of these.
The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is to keep out of debt. To keep out of debt. Next question. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Candle is to wax as paper is to A, wood. B, tree. C, bamboo. D, pulp.
Tree.
Unfortunately, that is wrong.
Pulp.
Please put your hands together for him. The answer is pulp. The answer is pulp. Contestants, thank you. Mathematics, onto the stage now. Contestants, are you ready for the mathematics segment of the fourth round?
Yeah.
Listen carefully to your questions. Adjust your microphone. A 4x6 grid of identical squares is drawn. 4x6 grid of identical squares is drawn. How many squares of any size are formed by line segments in the grid? 5 seconds on the clock. Did you have an answer to that? The answer is 50. 50. 50. 50. Next question. Adam added the lengths of all of the sides and diagonals of a square and got a result of 34.1 units. What is the area of the square in square units? Round your answer to the nearest whole number. 10 seconds on the clock. The contestants are unable to provide an answer. I had an answer in the audience. Anybody wants to answer? Anybody wants to answer? I heard somebody say 25 in the audience. 25 in the audience. The answer is 25. 25. Contestants, thank you. Put your hands together for them. Let's welcome the science contestants. Angels Ridge, quickly please. You're welcome to the science segment. Adjust your microphones to the level you want them to be. You're buzzing to indicate your readiness to answer the question. This is your question. Listen carefully. An experiment was set up where 1 gram of sodium metal was placed into 10 grams of water in a beaker. During the reaction, the sodium immediately caught fire and got extinguished when there was no more sodium metal left. At the end of the reaction was weighed and was found to be not 11 grams. What could be the explanation for the difference in the weight of the products and the weight?
Most of the water evaporated.
She says most of the water evaporated. That, unfortunately, is the right answer. Put your hands together for her. So the reaction that occurred released mass from the setup into the surroundings. The reaction released mass from the setup into the surroundings. Next question. Are you ready? Equal to a force of 1 Newton applied over 1 meter. This unit of energy or work is named for an Englishman whose theories led to the first law of thermodynamics. Equal to a force of 1 Newton applied over 1 meter. This unit of energy or work is named for an Englishman whose theories led to the first law of thermodynamics.
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton. Ladies and gentlemen, is the wrong answer. A bonus?
Pass.
The person this was named after was James Joe. The answer we're looking for is Joe's. Joe's. Please put your hands together for the contestants. Put your hands together for the contestants. General knowledge, join us on stage. Adjust the microphones and we're ready to go. Contestants, are you ready? Watch onto the screen and identify this MP of Dome Kwabenya. Any audience who has the answer? That is Sarah Adwa Safo. Sarah Adwa Safo. If you're from the Dome Kwabenya constituency like myself, you would have known. I understand if you were a TikToker too, you would have known. If we were following happenings in Parliament too, you would have known. Let's move on to the next question. Watch this clip and identify the movie.
10 years ago, I had the call to fix a broken air condition in the office of the most beautiful woman I had ever seen.
Do we have to celebrate every anniversary with the same old love story every year?
Life just be part of beings, Charlie. Every day we wake up, we dig.
Contestants, you have an idea what movie it is?
Love Island.
Say that again.
Love Island.
Black Panther.
Love Island. Is it Love Island?
Well, I heard Black Panther. Your answer is?
Love Island.
Love Finder.
Island.
Highlander.
Love Island.
No, Love Island. That is your answer. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. That answer is incorrect. The clip we saw is not Black Panther, it's not Highlander. It is Perfect Picture 2, or Perfect Picture 10 years later, or Perfect Picture. Please put your hands together for the contestants. Let's bring the others onto the stage. Join us on stage quickly. Join us on stage. Let's put our hands together for them. At the end of round 4, here are your scores. Agyiri Nyarko Junior High School has 0 points, and Angels Ridge School has 20 points. Please put your hands together for them. And these are the final results. At the end of the competition, Agyiri Nyarko Junior High School has 50 points. Put your hands together for them. Please do better for them. Put your hands together for them. And Angels Ridge School has 115 points. Round of applause, please. Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this episode of the Sharks Quiz Competition, Season 5, Episode 4, with a contest between Angels Ridge School and Agyiri Nyarko School Complex. The Sharks Quiz is proudly brought to you by Kellogg's, Indomie, Academic City University College, Massachusetts College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences, Family Health Medical School, Fritel, Vivo Energy, Ghana, and Lewis University. Please, a round of applause to our proud sponsors for bringing us this competition. And as you're already aware, we're committed to the whole development, the all-round development of students in the area of mathematics, English language, science, social studies, general knowledge, and anything relevant to their development. My name is Noble Crosby Annan, and we're moving on to the next stage. Bye-bye.
Go to www.thesharksquiz.com for questions and answers and for more information.